Joomla 4 is out and is a totally new version. Its core is built with modern technologies to become a more powerful and easy-to-use content management system platform. Its goal is to simplify the upgrade process by having one-click upgrade for core, minimal backwards compatibility breaks for extensions. Joomla 4 will help developers do more things. Before we proceed, give this video a like and share widely. We need 1,000 likes. By liking, you'll help this video break through YouTube algorithms, leading to high video recommendation. For those who don't know what is Joomla, Joomla is an open-source content management system, CMS, for publishing web content. It allows you to build websites and powerful online applications, making it a favorite option among many businesses and non-profit organizations. It is the perfect time to explore and fall in love with Joomla all over again. Today, let's shed some light on the major initiatives and improvements, and appreciate the work of art it is. Wait a minute, before we proceed, kindly note that if you're using any older extension compatible with Joomla 3 on your live site, do not upgrade your site to Joomla 4 until the extensions in use are fully compatible with Joomla 4. When the word extension is used in relation to Joomla, it refers to templates, plugin, modules and components. Search Easy York on YouTube search. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that you'll get notified whenever we upload a video. Remember to like and share this video. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section below. The very first thing you'll notice about Joomla 4 is the completely new layout of the administration area. The new admin dashboard is designed for site managers to optimize their site management experience for themselves or clients quickly and easily. The backend navigation is on the sidebar now with a collapsed option. When users click on one menu, the main one will be collapsed with icons to give space for the sub-menu bar. Joomla 4 comes by default with Bootstrap 5 and plain JavaScript scripts. It includes jQuery for backwards compatibility and Bootstrap 5 compatibility. jQuery is not used at Joomla 4 core level. Icons are now from Font Awesome. Joomla 4 comes with built-in features across the administration interface that improve productivity and allow flexibility on how you want to do things. How can you migrate from Joomla version 3 to Joomla version 4? If you are running a Joomla version 3 website, the first step is to upgrade your site to Joomla 3.10, which is a bridge between version 3 and 4. The Joomla 3.10 version has an integrated migration checkup for Joomla 4 version pre-update check component. The checkup advises on the readiness of your server environment, database, extensions and templates. This allows you to make the necessary adjustments or changes before carrying out the migration. The reason why Joomla 3.10 is essential for Joomla 4 release is that Joomla 3.10 is just a minor update of Joomla 3.9 and there are hardly any new features added to this update. So, the backports of API changes are included in this update. And it will simplify the process to upgrade to the next update. Moreover, the pre-update checker is there that helps in the migration process. Once the website is updated to Joomla version 3.10, the included pre-update checker will allow you to check the compatibility with Joomla 4.0. Simplified Installer. The Joomla 4's installation process is extremely simplified than Joomla 3's. It is now improved to be clean and simpler with 6 simple steps. The sample data and multilingual installation are included in the Customize Installation panel. New Media Manager. This is a new and improved Media Manager. It's one of the eye-catching highlights in Joomla 4. It comes with a more user-friendly interface and more advanced features. You can now drag and drop multiple files uploading. You have more tools to manage files, edit name, file preview, file properties. It also comes with a built-in image edition tool for cropping, resizing and rotating images. This is absolutely amazing. Another great feature is faster page loading times. Joomla 4 focuses on improving coding quality, using modern technologies, removing previously deprecated functionality, new rewritten plugin system, dependency injection containers to replace JFactory, Joomla framework to be used in more components, code namespacing and depreciation and more will help to improve performance a lot. Flexibility. Joomla has built fresh templates. For the front end the template is Cassiopeia, and the back end is Atom, which are better than the previous ones. These templates are super slick and all the modern techniques of Bootstrap are used in these templates that give a new complete experience. They are very much customization friendly. Other way Joomla is flexible include: 1. You want a flexible system that is easy to customize. 2. Joomla has over 6,500 verified extensions and high-quality templates available, many of which are free. 3. Joomla has many documentations and video training available for free. 4. It has layout and override system and built-in extendable functions making it easy to create customized solutions. 5. It's easy to find and hire high-quality integrators and developers. New backend and front-end templates. Joomla Search. Providing quick and easy search options on the website is mandatory. Because the search option makes it easier for the visitors to look up things, it improves engagement, which ultimately boosts ranking. Joomla 4 further takes the search option to a new level by implement Smart Search and many other options. Check out for more of our video uploads by visiting Easy York channel. Kindly give me a like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell us what you think about the new Joomla 4 in the comments section below. Subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever we upload a video. Thanks for watching and have a nice time. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever we upload a video. Remember to like and share this video. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section below.